Yeah, hello friends. So today we are going to look at how to create a new Java class. So before going, a small request from my side, please subscribe to my channel so that it encourages me to create more content in this context of Java basics. So your time is very precious. So benefits of watching this video is that first of all, the target audience for this video is the new Java developer, and what they'll be learning is about the main method and then how to create a new class, a new object, and the tool which I'll be using is IntelliJ. So if you feel that this video is not going to benefit you, please skip watching this video. Yeah, so now I'm going to jump to the demo. So we have our project created already, the first project. So now let's go and create a new class. So you just press new here, you right click on the package, and then you create new and new Java class. So let's create a person class. So now IntelliJ has created the person class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a few basic attributes. Let's say name of the person. Let's consider the age of the person. So now I'm going to create the constructor of this particular class. So what I'll be doing is I need to pass the age and the string. Basically, I need to pass the name of the person and then the age of the person. So I will be assigning the age to the person as well as I will assign the name to this person which are received in the constructor arguments. So let's go ahead and create a main method. So this is a shortcut PSVM. So you just type PSVM and then you just press enter. It will create the main method. So what I'll do is I'll create an object. So of type person. So first thing is it receives the name argument, and let's say let's just give 22. So now we just have created an object. Let's create a method called introduce. So in this, basically what it will do is it'll just print the name of the person and the age of the person. So I'll just use another shortcut, s out. You just type s out in IntelliJ and then press enter. So here I'm just going to type hello, I am so and so, and then and I am these many years old. Okay, so now that we have created this method, let's go and use this method here. Okay, so we have created an introduce method, and we are invoking this introduce method on the object of person. So let's go ahead and run our program. So here I'm going to click this button. So this will basically run our code. Yeah, as you can see here, it is printing hello, I am Steve and I am 22 years old. So with this, we let's conclude this video. So in this video, we have created a class with a few attributes, name and age, and then we have created a constructor, and then we have added a method which basically introduces that person, and then we have also added a main method wherein we create the object of a person and then we invoke the introduce method on that person object. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.